Hello, my name is Erez, and let me show you Erez, Israel. Some refer to it as Palestine, some as the land of milk and honey, but it has always been known as the Holy Land. We have mountains, we have lakes, we have seas, we have thriving cities and popular places to go and have a good time, and all of that in such a small place. Another interesting fact is that the Dead Sea, the lowest place on earth, is here in Israel. And some people say it's not a coincidence. There is a feeling like Israel is attracting a lot of attention, especially because of that last name I was mentioning, the Holy Land. That's because this land was shaped and designed by history, when all the biggest hotshots have passed through. Abraham the father, Isaac, Jacob, David and Goliath, and all the biblical characters. But not only. Jesus was born and crucified over here. Muhammad ascended to the sky. And after all of that, today it is called Israel, and it's the home of the 8 million people who live here, coming from different countries and different cultures to create a new, modern, thriving society that we call today Israel. Can that really be that this land is the promised land? Come with Erez Israel, and I'll show you Israel is real.